Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to Pure Learning. So till now we have actually been looking into the chapter of linear equations in two variables, the pair of linear equations in two variables, right? Now we and then we saw the four methods. I'm actually giving this recap in every video, right? That's okay. That's very good. Yeah, we'll actually at least know what are all the things which you have finished, right? And then we saw the four methods, which three algebraic methods and one graphical method. And then we did the first exercise. After that, we actually saw what is a consistent pair of linear equation, inconsistent and dependent pair of linear equations. These are all topics which we actually covered till now, right? Now, let's go to the next exercise. Okay? And in this particular question, this is the first question and exercise 3.2, and we need to form the algebraic equations. We need to form the pair of linear equations and we need to find the solution graphically, right? Graphically is the actual question, but graphical is I'll actually name all the points which are to be used in this particular particular question. You just need to plot it in your particular graph and find the solutions. Okay, cool. So the first question is 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in this quiz. Okay. The question is, we need to find the number of girls and boys. Okay. Okay. So, whenever we have a question like this, what is the first thing which we need to consider? We need to find out the variables here. We need to find out which one is to be considered as x, which one is to be considered as y. Okay. And generally in any word problem in a linear pair of linear equation questions, what we need to do is whichever is need to be found out, that is what is the variable here which is need to be considered. So we need to find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So we need to keep the number of boys as x and number of girls as y, because these two are the values which we don't know, right? So we need to consider these two values as x and y. So let me say the let number of boys is equal to x and ditto number of girls is equal to y. Now we have actually seen what are all the things which needs to be considered as the variables, right? This we have done now. Now what is the next thing? We have two data here, right? We have two data, so that using this data we can form two linear equations. What is the first data? There are 10 students total. The 10 students of class 10 has actually took part in the quiz, right? There are x number of boys and y number of girls. Them together will give the total number of students, right? Yeah, who took part in the quiz. So here given 10 students of class 10 took part in the quiz. And there are x number of boys and y number of girls. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 10. Done. Understood? Because there are total number of students who took part in the quiz is 10, and there are x and y students, x boys and y girls respectively, right? Okay, this is the first equation. Now the second equation is they have told that the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. That's it. So number of girls is equal to number of boys plus 4. That's what it means, right? Done. So what should be, actually while just looking at the answer you can say, but yeah, we can find it. So this is the pair of linear equation which is formed here, right? Let me solve it here itself. The first equation is, I'll solve it on the side. X plus y is equal to, okay, sorry guys, I got a call in the middle. Okay. And so this is the first equation, and then in this one what we need to do is we just need to rearrange it. So y is equal to x plus 4, right? So I can write x minus y is equal to minus 4. That's it. What I'm doing is bringing the y here and bringing this 4 there. So when you change the side, it's going to be the signs will change. Now I'm going to use elimination method, because there are coefficients of x and y are same. In this case, this is directly in the opposite signs. The coefficients are equal and the opposite sign for y. So I just need to add these two equations. So I'll get 2x plus 0 is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. Therefore 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. Right? Now we found out that x is equal to 3. Since x is equal to 3, we know that y is equal to x plus 4. Therefore y is equal to 3 plus 4, which is 7. This is how we need to solve the first problem. That's it. Very, very simple. And this method we have used elimination. Right? We have used elimination method here. What you need to do is you need to find the graphical method. And how do you do the graphical method? Now, in case of graphical method, the first thing is you need to write the equations. X plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to minus 4. And then what I need to do is I need to put a small table. I am putting x and y. Now, this is for the first equation. I am writing the name of the equation here. X plus y is equal to 10. Now, let's find random values for x and y so that this satisfies this particular equation. So, if I am giving x as 1, y will be 9. If I am giving x as 3, y will be 7. If I am giving x as 2, y will be 8. And if I am giving x as 5, y will be 5. Right? So, that if we give these values, corresponding values to this particular x and y, it's going to satisfy the equation. That's what we need to do. And then the next one is x, y, and I'm writing it for this equation now. I'm writing the name of the equation. Xy is equal to minus 4. So x and y. So what I need to do here is, if I give x is equal to 2, y is going to be 6, because 2 minus 6 is going to give me minus 4, right? If I am giving x as 1, this is going to be 5. If I am giving x as 3, y is going to be 7. If I am giving x as 4, y is going to be 10. 4 because 4, not 10. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So 4 comma 8. So now what we need to do is plot these points. Plot 1 comma 9, 3 comma 7, 2 comma 8, 5 comma 5. For this particular equation, it will give you a straight line. And plot this again, and wherever it is intersecting in the particular graph, that is the solution for this particular pair of linear equation. That is how we need to find it graphically. Okay, done. Let's go to the second problem. It says 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. Whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. Okay. Now the first method, you will obviously know we need to declare the variables, right? We need to declare the variables first. What are the variables? Whatever is to be found are the variables here. We need to find the cost of pencil and cost of pen. So let repeat with me. Cost of pencil is equal to rupees X. And cost of pen is equal to rupees y, right? Now, they have told that 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. So, 5 pencils and 7 pens, 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Okay, why did I write this equation? So, they have told that I am buying cost of one pencil is x, right? So if I buy 5 pens, it's going to be 5x, right? If my cost of the pencil is 2 rupees, if I buy 5 pencils, it's going to be 5 into 2, 10. Similarly, we don't know the value here, but we know the variable. So we're doing 5x. And we are buying 7 pens now. And the cost of pen is y, therefore 7y. Together, the total cost of buying 7 pencils and 5 pens, 5 pencils and 7 pens is 50 rupees, right? 5 pencils and 7 pens. 5 pencils and 7 pens will be 50 rupees. Similarly, we can form the other equation. What the next one says that 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. So it's just we just need to interchange the coefficients for the variables. 7x plus 5y is equal to 46 is the given data, right? Now how do we solve this? You can solve it graphically, but graphically is your own assignment. You need to do that and you need to find the solutions graphically. Let me do the any algebraic method. Which algebraic method can I use? If I am actually using substitution, it's gonna get complicated. Why is it gonna get complicated? Because if I am finding the value of x in one particular equation, if we take this one, it will be 5x is equal to 50 minus y, and for x is equal to 50 minus 7y divided by 5. and it actually complicates because I'm getting a fraction and there is a variable in the fraction and it is getting complicated. In that case, I can use the elimination method. And what should I multiply? In this case, we just need, there are no coefficients which are equal, right? And either of the coefficients is not a multiple or a factor for the other coefficient for that particular variable. So what I need to do is multiply both these equations with its least common multiple. Okay, what I need to do is multiplying this equation with 7 and multiplying this equation with 5. Okay, now I'll get 7 5s are 35x plus 49y is equal to 7 5s are 35, 350 rupees. Here 7 5s are 35x plus 25y is equal to 46 into 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are 20, 20, 30, 31, 310. Right? 5 6 are 30. Oh, sorry. 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are 20, 23. 230. Okay? Now minus, minus, minus. I am doing elimination method here. So 35 minus 35 0. 25. 25 to 50, 25, 35, 45, 49, 24y is equal to 230, 330, 350, 120. Y is equal to 120 divided by 24, and that will be 24 into 5 is equal to 120. 24 5, so y is equal to 5. So we found the value of y. And what is 5? 5 is the cost of one pen. How do we find the cost of pencil now? Therefore, so we need to substitute y in any of these equations. Let me substitute in the equation 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. So 5x plus 7 into y. Y is 5. 7 5 are 35 is equal to 50. 5x is equal to 50 minus 35 is 15 and x is equal to 3. Therefore, cost of pencil is equal to rupees 3. Cost of pen is equal to rupees 5. Understood? This is how we solve any kind of pair of linear equations. This is, I think, after all the previous videos, you would have actually had a good grasp of how do we frame the variables and how do we use the methods which we studied to solve a pair of linear equations. That is what we have been studying about. And we have been going good with this. Let's go with the next problem in our next video. Till then, bye bye.